We envisage UA Little Rock downtown as a bridge to our main campus, a place to showcase the best of UA Little Rock.
This space is really important to downtown because it really connects the university to the city and the city to the university. It serves as a front door to our university, and everyone that visits Little Rock visits the heart of the River Market. So this not only increases visibility and awareness, it's here to showcase all the unlimited pathways that UA Little Rock has to offer.
We understand the importance of making our vital urban campus relevant and accessible here in the heart of the city.
As we all know, a great thriving city has to have a great university. And this is the capital city's university.
We wanted a space that honored the past, engaged the present, and imagined the future.
The famed American artist Joe Jones created the struggle in the South. It was originally painted in the dining hall at the Commonwealth College. Recently, however, this 44 by 9-foot mural was restored with a $500,000 grant from Arkansas Natural and Cultural Resources Center.
This piece is going to show healing, and this will help create conversations that will create new relationships, better trust, so we can move from being disconnected from a lack of understanding and a lack of perspective to being connected. And what better way for UA Little Rock to play that role and being that center focal point as we move forward?